We are here to talk about something a little taboo.
Okay.
I want to talk about being naked. Are you comfortable with that?
I am, but I wasn't always.
Oh, that's great. That's the story I'm looking for.
And Mark?
Bridget, when did naked become dirty for you?
For me? Wow. Quickly, one day I was like, look, she's naked. And lots of giggling. We were playing with our dolls. And then, look, she's naked. My face turning bright red from embarrassment.
Do you remember how old you were when that shift kind of happened?
The idea of being naked went from funny at 6 to dirty at 7.
And Kate, what about you? When did naked become dirty for you?
The idea of naked being a dirty word, basically, as long as I can remember, there's so much shame around being naked, so much judgment around it for so long, right?
Which is ironic. Naked, dirty. If you think about it, it's actually the most natural way to go.
Totally on the same page.
Right? And if you don't live up to these standards, then what? We hide. We're taught to cover up our imperfect selves with clothing, to conceal our flawed faces with makeup, to paint on the perfect face.
Lovely segue, Jess. Whole industries have been built around this sphere, specifically women's sphere. Not looking a certain way, capitalizing on our shame. Do you have any thoughts about it?
I'm all for going around naked face. Thanks to Yuvari by Ayurveda.
In fact, I've been a little obsessed with this Ayurvedic oil for about a year now.
Incredibly nourishing, so hydrating, and even without makeup, even naked face, even in my 60s, I'm ready for my close-up.
I'm all for stripping down to my natural self. I mean, it's like my skin can breathe and relax. No more hiding under layers of concealer and foundation, because this oil is my age-defying bullet. I mean, every drop has nutrient-rich ingredients like turmeric, sesame and rice bran oil, mango leaves.
Have you ever heard of the Black Gram Lentil?
I have not.
Oh, God. It's the Ayurvedic beauty balm.
My skin just soaks this formula in like a dry sponge. Every morning and every night when I go to bed, naked.
Naked?
You heard me.
With Yuvari, my skin just feels different, like it did when I was younger. It's soft, supple, but there's also a firmness to it. I gotta tell you, I love looking at myself in the mirror, naked. Wait, did I just say that out loud?
Loud and proud.
My 60-something skin feels 30-year-old healthy thanks to Yuvari. Why would I want to conceal it or cover it up with makeup? Makeup can actually make my skin look older now.
Why would I hide this? This beautiful me with concealer, foundation. My face is naked, and the only thing I feel exposed to is compliments about how good I look.
I think I got what I need. That's a cut. Thank you so much.